Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11 and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Now let's tap on reset and here let's tap on reset all settings. And as you can see, your device is informing you that it will reset network settings, fingerprints, face recognition data and lock screen password. So if you're ready, tap on reset all settings. Let's enter the lock screen to confirm. And as you can see, we've got also the information that your phone probably will need to be restarted, not always, but it can be. And this action cannot be undone, so be aware of that and tap on reset all settings. So basically, that will be all. Right now we have to simply wait until the resetting will be finished. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.